how does the sun transfer energy, mass, and particles into the Earth's system? The tandem reconnection and cusp electrodynamics reconnaissance satellites, or the TRACERS mission, is trying to find out. The sun constantly shoots out a stream of charged particles, which we call the solar wind. And the solar wind interacts with all of the planets and other bodies in our solar system. Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Skylar Shaver, a postdoctoral researcher here at West Virginia University, and I'm working on the TRACERS mission. My PhD research looked at how the solar wind interacts with the Martian system, using data from the Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution mission, or the MAVEN mission. And actually, my office mate, Dr. Regan, sitting right over here, is currently working on the MAVEN mission. So I'll let her introduce the MAVEN mission and talk about it a little bit more.
NASA's MAVEN mission is orbiting Mars to try and find out how the solar wind and radiation from the sun strip away the planet's upper atmosphere. Mars once had oceans and a thicker atmosphere, but over the past 4 billion years, it's become really dry and the atmosphere has become really thin. As a MAVEN scientist, I study how the solar wind interacts with the top of Mars's atmosphere to understand how it was lost. Understanding Mars's history can help us look to the future of human exploration of the red planet and what that means for planets just like our own. Mars doesn't have a global magnetic field, so those solar wind particles slam directly into the atmosphere and strip it away over time. But here on Earth, we do have a magnetic shield, our magnetosphere, which usually protects us. But still, there are some weak spots near the poles where the solar energy leaks in through the cusp. That's what TRACERS is here to study. The 2 TRACERS satellites will fly through these vulnerable regions near Earth's poles to track how energy and particles from the solar wind get in, and also how they affect our satellites, our astronauts, and our everyday technology. There's so much more to explore about how the sun and the solar wind interact with planets like Earth and Mars. So stay tuned to learn more about TRACER science and the other missions that are helping us explore our space environment.
Thank you everyone. You have been a great audience. Have a good one.